Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about Pakistan Navy takes a big step towards the indigenous development of missile crafts and warships. Pakistan Navy has launched its indigenously built fast attack craft missile in a ceremony held at Karachi Shipyard and AMP Engineering Works Limited KS&EW here on Wednesday. Federal Minister for Defence Production Zobaida Jalal was chief guest in the ceremony, which was attended by high-ranking officials and dignitaries from Ministry of Defence, Pakistan Navy, Army, Air Force, government authorities, corporate sector and KS&EW. Addressing the occasion, Federal Minister for Defence Production Zubaida Jalal congratulated Pakistan Navy and Karachi Shipyard for their remarkable achievement towards the national goal of indigenization and self-reliance. She said that KS&EW is one of the few public sector industries which has made remarkable turnaround in the last decade, that is from sustaining losses to a profit-bearing entity of Ministry of Defence Production, MoD. She said that keeping in view the future economic growth of the country, the Federal Ministry of Defence Production is vigorously pursuing establishment of new shipyards. She wished that this missile craft will effectively safeguard the sea front of the country. Earlier, Managing Director KS&EW Rear Admiral Athar Salim in his welcome address expressed gratitude to Pakistan Navy and MoD for their continued support. He apprised that during recent years KS&EW has completed various projects meeting international quality standards. He also highlighted that infrastructure upgrades and preparatory works for construction of submarines for PN is also at advanced stages. He assured that KS&EW is committed to complete all these challenging projects on time, duly meeting international quality standards. The indigenously produced fast attack missile craft is a state-of-the-art, multi-mission vessel with steel hull and aluminum superstructure. It has length of 63 meters with displacement of over 560 tons. The ship is propelled by 4 shafts and can attain maximum speed of 30 knots. The missile craft is equipped with indigenously developed weapons and sensors that makes it a potent platform of PN. As a result, the PN has reposed confidence in Karachi Shipyard by awarding contracts for construction of 2 MILGEM-class corvettes and 2 harbor tugs. The construction for tugs has already been initiated, while necessary preparations for construction of 2 MILGEM corvettes is in full swing. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.